So here we are up the farm, have another attempt at the duck. We did try to move this the other day to take to Overlord show, but it was jammed in reverse gear, which is funny because we were using the gearbox the other day, well, a couple of weeks beforehand, to try the
I think that's good.
propeller shaft turning. So we're going to whip the covers off and have a look, see if we can get it out of gear. Alright, here's the gearbox down under the deck, but like I say, she's jammed in reverse. We've tried driving backwards, taking any wind up out of the gearbox, and we've stuck that in neutral. The transfer box is in neutral, so in theory there shouldn't be any wind up. It's like a fork's been jammed up in there. Well, let's have a look. Nothing happening, is there?
No, not a thing.
Should lift up.
Thanks. On the back of that side somewhere. Yeah. Look at that. Where's him?
There we are.
Where's him, brother?
Oh.
Not as bad.
Well, that's the handbrake mechanism come off, which was a pain in the arse, but there you go.
You had to take them off. I thought it'd be
We've
a
got a screwdriver. We'll just give this a clear the crap out of here before we take the top off of it.
Here you go, my friend.
We could always, like I say, I could take the top off of the new gearbox if this one's a bit crusty. But we might find that the whole gearbox is a bit crusty yet.
Yeah.
Like I say, we've never had it apart since we've built it. So.
No.
Give that a wiggle. Ragless. Let me see. Where's the hammer? There you go.
Shall I just lift it up?
Yeah, lift it straight up, mate. Oh, a bit rusty in there.
Rusty in there, mate.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to move, mate.
Oh, yeah, look.
It's got no oil, no water, and a load of water in the bottom. That's the reverse lever there.
Yeah.
That's why I don't want to. Need a load of WD in there.
Okay.
And then we'll move her around a bit.
Quite rusty and tough, isn't it?
We'll give her a quick squirt over. And then we'll beat her with a hammer.
Get on that shaft down there.
That's first and reverse, that big
Big
one.
one.
But she should move up and down on this shaft, on this part. That looks
how
like
the fault goes down to that other.
that looks like that's where it's jammed up.
Probably because it sits about too much.
Yeah, that gets left all winter.
Yeah.
She's had some water in there for a while by the looks of it.
Come through from the top, do you think? Through the gear stick? It'll all come out through the prop shaft then, won't it? If you took all the guts out of it.
You can get that top shaft out
Yeah.
with them in there, yeah. And you leave the primary drive into the clutch. Still stiff that, but then
It's because you can't get the leverage on it.
no. Put some oil in, and well,
You've got to see this.
yeah,
I think that's where the problem started. That's what water.
yeah,
And that's it.
yeah.
there.
She's got caught some water in it at some point, isn't it? Okay. Well, that's as far as we're going to get with that, I think, today, because we need. We'll let the goo that was still left in it drain out. Problem is, real hard thing to top up under the floor, so you very rarely get to them. We've not even looked in there since we built this thing, and it's been driving around for ages. We have got a brand new gearbox we could stick in, but I think that's okay. We're just going to clean it up, and we need to come up here next week with a load of brake cleaner and everything else. We'll clean everything out, redo these side plates, what we think are leaking anyway, which is probably where half our oil's gone, and we'll try again. Oh well. Still, nice day for the pub. Nice day for the pub, eh, Ragless?
Yeah, I just finished peeing.
Yeah, we'll throw these tools out and bugger off. Cheers, Ragless.
Cheers, mate. Well, we know what the outcome will be now.
Yeah.
A lot of cleaning.